घुमाना चाह रहे हैं। मेन मुद्दा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मित्र अदानी जी के खिलाफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में केस है, उनको वहां इंडाइट किया गया है और अदानी जी को नरेंद्र मोदी जी हिंदुस्तान बेच रहे हैं। यह मेन मुद्दा है और इसकी डिस्कशन ये लोग नहीं चाहते हैं। थैंक यू।
शुक्रिया साथियों, शुक्रिया साथियों।
So Rahul Gandhi there in a very brief statement is saying that what happened today, the allegations that are being leveled against him and his party members are all baseless and just tactics to deflect attention from focus that has shifted to Adani in the US. Before him, Mallikarjun Kharge addressed the media. He said that he is incapable of attacking anyone, but he was pushed. He had to sit down. After that attack, he said that this is a mistake from the side of the Treasury benches and will eventually escalate into a nationwide movement. After which Rahul Gandhi, who sat in the press conference with a copy of Constitution right in front of him, you can see that red book over there, which has now become a mainstay of all the Congress protests, especially when it involves Rahul Gandhi. And he said that BJP and RSS's ideology and thinking is anti-constitution. And he also raked the controversy around Union Home Minister and the statement which the BJP says has been clipped and is being manipulated and misused. Rahul Gandhi's version of events is that when they were trying to enter the parliament, they were standing there, the BJP MPs, the NDA MPs were standing there with the sticks in their hands. He has asked for the ruling party MPs to apologize and has also sought resignations. Niyamika joins us for more. Niyamika, what were the three big highlights of this press conference?
This is basically an attack which is being made on the part of the top leadership of the Congress party upon the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Just now the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and LOP Lok Sabha Mr. Rahul Gandhi has addressed this press conference in which they had retaliated their stand that Mr. Amit Shah must resign and he needs to be, he needs to apologize for making such kind of statement against Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As for that reason, they have also, mentioned about the incidents that had taken place inside the parliament today. In fact, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has also mentioned that how the Congress party's MP were basically holding this protest at the parliament premises, and just when they were trying to enter the...
Let's play out for the benefit of our viewers. What exactly did Rahul Gandhi say in his address?
शुरुआत हुई पार्लियामेंट से कुछ दिन पहले अदानी जी का वो यूएस में केस आया और पूरे टाइम बीजेपी ने उस पर डिस्कशन रोकने की कोशिश की और बीजेपी की बेसिक स्ट्रैटेजी थी कि ये अदानी का जो मामला है इसकी कोई चर्चा ना हो, इसका कोई डिस्कशन ना हो, ये दब जाए। और शुरुआत में इन्होंने ये फुल टाइम इनका काम था, कभी कुछ डिस्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं, कभी कुछ डिस्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं। उसके बाद अमित शाह जी का बयान आता है और हम पहले से कह रहे हैं कि जो बीजेपी आरएसएस की सोच है एंटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल सोच है, एंटी अंबेडकर जी की सोच है और जो अंबेडकर जी की मेमोरी है, जो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, उसको ये लोग मिटाना चाहते हैं, खत्म करना चाहते हैं। और डायरेक्टली इनके मंत्री ने, होम मिनिस्टर ने डायरेक्टली सबके सामने